Amazon just published a list of nearly 500 American cities and towns getting drone delivery this year, which lands strangely because this is the promise almost everybody stopped believing. Jeff Bezos announced it on television in 2013 and said it was 4 or 5 years out. That was almost 13 years ago. So here's the real version. 6 times the coverage it has today, built out from 11 sites across 10 metro areas. Chicago is getting it. So are Cleveland, Atlanta, Syracuse, and Boise, with more towns named later this year. What actually lands in your yard is 5 pounds or less. Anything that fits inside a large shoebox. Most orders arrive in about an hour, the fastest in 30 minutes. Free for Prime over $50, $2.99 under. And Amazon leads the whole announcement with safety, an industry-leading detect and avoid system judging the airspace in real time. That is the exact system federal investigators are still examining right now. Last October in Tolleson, Arizona, 2 Amazon drones flew into the boom of a parked construction crane. Nobody was hurt. Both drones were substantially damaged. The FAA opened a probe, and so did the NTSB. 10 months on, that NTSB investigation is still open, and detect and avoid is precisely what it's about. In March, Prime Air's Vice President David Carbon told his own staff, "We trained our algorithms, we felt pretty good, but in the real world, the performance just wasn't good enough." He called it a humbling experience. In that same meeting, he set a target: 1 million deliveries this year. Amazon's public number today is hundreds of thousands. The science fiction part is finally over. What's left is a flight path over your house and a file still open at the NTSB. Amazon put an address checker online. Until that NTSB report lands, I'm the Tech Bard, and go look up your street. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out. And if anything slipped, I'll want to know.